Okay, welcome to this very short video about how to install and use the Dorrough Stereo Meter from Waves for real-time monitoring the volume. So it's pretty simple, but you need to buy the VST plugin, of course, from the Waves website. It's currently in promotion. It's pretty expensive, but when it's in promotion, it's something like between $29 and $59. And I believe normally it's 100, and I'm not sure. You have to watch for that out. And important too, if you have a Waves plan, not everybody is fond about that, but if you have a Waves plan, you're allowed to use two instances, a correction, two licenses of that same plugin simultaneously on different computers. So you can use them on two computers, which is a big saver too. And that works on as long as your plan, your Waves plan is active, which is usually around a year or something. Okay, so let us get into it. I have a project here with vMix. I'm using this from remote with TeamViewer, so it's not always that simple to show it, but I'll do my best. The VU meters you're seeing right now is not my voice, it's music that is playing on vMix, so that's it. Okay, most of the cases you're gonna want to add the VU meter to your master channel, of course, but you can add it to subgroups too. It's just a VST, so you can do whatever you want with it. So click on the gear of your master, click on plugins. There's already one plugin from Waves, but I'm gonna add the Dorrough, which I do by clicking on plus and choose the driver, which is in my case this Wave shell, but it could be another depending on the release you have. And there it is already. I have multiple of them of plugins, but I use the Dorrough Stereo in this case. So I click on OK, and puff, there it is. So now it's a meter that it's connected to the master output. You could add one to the, let me do that here, to the A subgroup or B or whatever by just doing exactly the same thing. And then you're going to have 2 meters. I'm not going to do that right now. So it's went to the background. So when I point to, I don't need that screen anymore. If I point to vMix, I'll see my meter here again. So what you can do now is, as I wanted to see it all the time when I'm DJing, so I put it on my confidence monitor, which is pretty easy to do. You just grab the meter and you slide it over to the other monitor. I'm switching now because of TeamViewer. So I hope you see that. And this is my confidence monitor, as you see. And now I have the meter. There are some options here. There's vertically, horizontally, analog, small, large, extra large, and the reference is the, if I'm not mistaken, the decibels as where the red zone starts. So now it starts at -20. But I can set it to 14 because, you know, with music, we're always going louder and louder. I want to be on top of the maximum. So I put it on 14. And then you see the scale range changes here, the red zone. Okay, let me show you the horizontal way. This is the horizontal way, and this is the analog way. Okay, I'll prefer vertically. You find that less blocking the screen. For me, I put it on the side. Then you can choose for small, but from a distance, depending on the size of your screen, of course, too. I put it on extra large because I have a small screen and look at from like 3 meters or something. So for me, it's large. Now, of course, you lose a lot of real estate here with all the buttons, and those you can do away by simply clicking on the minus sign here. So, and then you only have your meter. It's not a real on top situation. I don't think there's a button to do that. Let me click that now, and not there neither. Not sure what the GUI size means. Oh, you can make it even better, but it's then a bit out of focus, I guess. Yeah, so that's sharper. It's not a real on top situation. So if you click on On the confidence monitor, you'll see that the view meter gets behind. So what you can do is, I need to swap back to my main screen now and then point again to the view meter, and then you will see it's back on top. So as long as you don't click on the confidence monitor, it will be on top. I know there are some programs that you can select some window and put it always on top of everything. Only in a model, I believe they call it a model mode, but I don't think it's necessary. So if you had a B group or an A group, also a monitor, or even any channel, audio channel, then you can also add a VST to it, and you can put multiple VSTs besides each other. I'm not sure if there's no name in there, I believe, so it's hard to tell. It's impossible to tell what channel it is from this, so you have to keep in mind what's the first, what's the second, what's the third, and so on. There was one other thing I needed to say, but I don't remember. Well, I think that's about it, I guess. So it's real time as it gets. So it's really, really real time. So that's very important for you guys who want to monitor the situation all the time. I think that's it. Yep. Hope that was clarifying for you. Bye.